Meaning of hypnotist.
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 Hypnotist. A hypnotist is a person who has the ability to induce hypnosis in someone else. Hypnosis is a trance-like state of heightened suggestibility, where an individual becomes more susceptible to suggestion and is able to access their subconscious mind. Hypnotists often use various techniques, such as relaxation and guided imagery, to put their subjects into a hypnotic state. During hypnosis, individuals may experience changes in sensations, emotions, and behaviors. Hypnotists can help people deal with issues such as anxiety, phobias, and addiction. They are trained professionals who use hypnosis as a tool to improve the lives of others.